Hey YouTube, Renee here one more time, and just to show you guys the continuation, yet another update on these 5 pipes that I'm restoring. Now what I've done since the last time that we spoke about these, I have fixed the bits and all these. This was the one that had that needed the patch. There it is, as you can see it. But for the most part, it is patched up. I probably need to sand it down a little bit more. I can't feel it, but you know, I don't know. We'll see once I buff it out and it becomes all shiny. The imperfections start popping out. Another thing that I've done is I have rusticated the ones that I was going to rusticate. I've rusticated them, and there's 2 that I'm going to leave as is, only because of the grain. The grain actually came out, kind of nice, so I'm just going to leave it, which is what I hate. This is a disaster for me. When the grain is actually kind of cool, because I can't do anything with it. Although this particular K Woody here, I probably wouldn't have done anything with. This is a drinkless 4-hole stinger, early K Woody. It's got a 4-digit number. 7722. So it's a nice early one. So this one I wouldn't have rusticated it anyway. But another one that I did not rusticate is this one here, simply because the grain, the way it looked, I figured, you know what, let me just try something here first, see how it's going to come out. And as you guys can notice, I've already started dyeing this. I just stained it just to see what the color difference would be between this and this, and there's a difference. So by any means, I'm not done yet. I'm barely beginning with this, with the dyeing or staining, whichever it turns out to be. The other ones have been rusticated partially, to of course hide huge imperfections like that. And just to get rid of just really bad grain that wasn't going anywhere, and I didn't feel like just dyeing them without doing anything to them. This is the yellow bowl that I was telling you guys about in the previous video. As you guys can see, I re-inked the the stamp, and it's not bad. I mean, it's definitely a fake, but it's not a bad looking stamp. That whoever did this was pretty good at it. So anyway, yeah, now it's actually loose, so I'm gonna have to fix that. But actually, it's getting really hot in here. Well, here in California, it's getting really hot, so that is actually going to fix itself. A few days here outside in the porch, and it'll fix itself. Anyways, guys, all right, well, that's it for right now. I guess I will come back with the finished pipes completely, and unless I run into any problems, which at this point I doubt I will. Most of the problems that I could have run into have been avoided at this point, so yay. So yeah, I will see you guys in the final update. Alright, compadres, comadres, as always, thank you for watching. Vayan con Dios.